Dear learners, welcome to the SWAYAM course on Indian Judicial System, Legal Aid and Environmental Protection. As you all know, the course has launched today, and in this video, we will try to understand the basics about logging in to your SWAYAM account and accessing the course and its various components. Now, let us start. First, you have to open the SWAYAM course page. Now, the website address is www.swayam.gov.in. Now, here you will navigate to the SWAYAM homepage. If you do not remember the website address, you can just type SWAYAM and then it will, the first link, this one, SWAYAM Central, is the course homepage. Now, here you need to sign in or register. Sign in. Then if you remember your username and password, you can type your username and password, or else you can log in with the help of your Microsoft account, Google account, or Facebook account. Now this you would have provided at the time of registering at the SWAYAM portal. Now I will use Google account. Now you will type the username and password of your Google account, adv@gmail.com. This is my Google account. Next, and you will use the password. You will type the password. Now this Google account you should have provided at the time of registering for the SWAYAM portal. Now it is asking for confirmation. I will just confirm. Now here you have logged in. You are logged into the SWAYAM. Now once you log into the SWAYAM, you need to click on the username here. There is a drop down arrow here. Here you will be able to see my profile and my courses. Go to my courses. Now this will show in this page, it will show the upcoming and ongoing courses or completed courses. Now because this is an ongoing course, you can these are all the courses in which I have logged in, I have registered. Okay, now here you can see Indian Judicial System, Legal Aid and Environmental Protection. Now click on the Go to Course button. Okay, once you click on the Go to Course button, it will take you to the course page. Now in the course page, this is the course overview and the brief objectives of the course and the course team, the biodata and the course layout, biodata of the course coordinator, Professor Dr. G.B. Reddy, and the course layout, the references, etc. Okay, the brief outline about the course. Now this is the introduction video of the course. If you want, you can watch this. Now on the left side, you will see the course outline. Now when you click on week 1, it will show the lessons that are available in the week 1. So this is lesson 1, lesson 2 and lesson 3 of week 1. In each week you will be having 3 lessons. Now this can be seen in the course outline. Week 1 3 lessons, week 2 3 lessons, week 3 similarly up to week 10. Okay. Now on each week starting from July 27th, you will have the weekly lessons on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. So you will be able to access the lesson 1 today. Okay, just click on this first link and you will be able to see modern judicial system and various components. This is the week 1 lesson 1. And tomorrow you will be able to see the lesson 2, see, because today it's not yet launched, it is not opening yet. And then day after tomorrow you will be able to see the lesson 3. Okay, now coming to today's lesson or the lesson 1. Now in every lesson you will have this 6 components. Okay, these are 6 links: summary, objective, script, transcription, glossary, and references. And there is a self assessment for each lesson. You can click on the answer, okay, and you can check your answer. Now the major components of a judicial system include, let us say, I will click on government. So it says no, the answer is incorrect. The accepted answer is courts. So similarly, for you can solve all this. This is only for your self assessment and not for marking. Then you have these 6 links. Now summary is the summary of the lesson, objectives of the lesson. Now script is the reading material for the lesson, and transcription is the transcription of the video. There are not much changes in script and transcription, but transcription includes the verbatim of the video. Now glossary is the definitions or the meanings of the important words, and references includes the books and other material that are referred. Once you click on this, it will open a PDF file like this. Now this modern summary of the lesson, you can study the summary. You can download this and save this with you. Save all the PDF files with you if you want. Now on clicking this, you can play the YouTube. Okay, I think this is clear now. So now this is clear. Now let us look at the different tabs that are there in the course page. Now first is the announcements tab. Now in the announcements tab, you can see the important announcements regarding the course. Okay, always visit the announcements tabs to know about any new developments. And an email will also be sent when an announcement is made, a new announcement is made, an email will also be sent to you. Next is the about the course tab. Okay, this is the brief outline about the course. You can see that 1895 learners have enrolled, and the start date, end date, etc. about the course you can see. Now again, you can navigate to the course page by clicking on go to course. Now here, ask a question. Now ask a question link or tab will open a discussion forum. Now in this discussion forum, you can ask any queries regarding the course, or you can ask anything about the feedback. You can also give your feedback about the course in the discussion forum. You are encouraged to give your feedback only through the discussion forum, so that all the users can access or see the questions that are raised by you and provide input for each other. Now this progress tab is with respect to the progress of the course, name, date enrolled, etc. Okay, now if you have any queries regarding the course also, then you can make a post in the discussion forum. Okay, ask a question in the discussion forum here. So this is the brief outline about the course. Now just a minute. Okay, this is how the discussion forum will appear to you. Now here in the discussion forum, you can type on Like now there are 3 queries that are posted. Now someone has asked lesson 2, 3 of week 1 videos are not accessible, sir. So even you can post a reply. If any one of you knows, you can post a reply also. And you can search. You click on new topic, and then you can write your question and post it here. Like the subject, what is the subject of the question? Like if my subject is, let us say, what more material can we refer? So that is the subject. You can ask the question here. Okay. And then type on post. Now here you can see that what more materials can we refer. So this is my post. Now anyone can reply. Okay. So I hope that you have understood the basics about accessing and using the course. I am Dr. Irfan Ali Abbas. I am the teaching assistant for the course, and I will be interacting with you and resolving your queries. Please feel free to post your feedback, queries on the discussion forum. Looking forward for an interactive learning. All the best and thank you. One more thing, the course is open up to for enrollments up to 30th of September, up to the 30th of September 2020. So I request you to ask your friends 30th September 2020. The course is open up to 30th September 2020. So ask your friends, colleagues and students to kindly enroll and enjoy the learning experience. Thank you very much.